Today.
I'm feeling good.
Fantastic. Look, you're so quiet now.
I know, right?
Let's go right here. You can adjust your neck first. Get that pressure out there. Pressure out here. There we go. And then cross your arms for me also. She's been a patient for a long time now. She knows what to do. So you get in there and move the bones in the mid-back area too. Right there one more time. You're working out, doing the 75 hard program.
Yeah.
Side face me. On your side all the way. Let's go on your side all the way.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, I'm forgetting the procedure now.
This part. Your lower back adjustment right here. And then deep breath in. All the way. Ooh. Ooh.
That felt great.
Too. That was a lot. Right here too. Deep breath in. All the way out right here.
Ooh. Yep.
Yep. All right.
That's
well, good.
Yep.
All right,
I feel
thank you,
better
thank you.
now.